Okay, so just share your experience, you know, like you're here first time today and like you've tried like ozone treatment. Just tell a little story, just what's happened to you and what did you experience today, just so people can basically become aware of what it's like.
I have had knee replacements, one full knee replacement on the left hand side, and the right hand side was up for replacement because according to the MRIs, it shows that it's just worn off, and 3 orthopedic surgeons and my GP, they all said nothing but total knee replacement.
Do you want to introduce yourself first?
Sorry?
Do you want to introduce yourself?
Oh, sorry.
It's all right.
I'm Madhusami, I'm 52 years old and mother of 2, and I have been having a lot of osteoarthritis problems for the last probably 5 years. Has sort of gone down really badly. I used to do a lot of plant nursery work, I used to do a lot of lifting. Probably that's where maybe I had a few damages, and over the years it just got worse to the point where I ended up having 1 total knee replacement, and I could not, even though the operation was successful, I still could not bear to go through another one because of the extreme trauma that I went through. And at the same time, I have very bad osteoarthritis problems in my left back. So having all that, and then being told that my other knee had to be totally replaced, and at the same time on that same foot, on the right hand side, my foot has got huge amount of problems where it's bone on bone near the metatarsal, I think it's called, joint. And the only alternative I have been told is to fuse the foot. So fusing the right foot and then having a total knee replacement on the right foot. And already having had total knee replacement on the left foot, you can imagine my life, the quality of life, already I'm not having, well, wasn't having anyway. And I could not bear the thought of going through all that. So in desperation, I basically came home sobbing after the 3rd orthopedic surgeon had told me that. And I just said a very big prayer, and I thought, well, somebody out in this world has got to help me. I was prepared to go anywhere. And basically I started Googling. Just Googling, just looking, you know, looking everywhere, and just all of a sudden I found Dr. Dolsky's surgery. And I looked into what he did. I still wasn't quite sure what it was all about. I had heard of PRP injections, of course I knew about cortisone injections. I have looked into orthocaine, I think it's called, and I had never heard of prolozone. Absolutely, 3 days ago I had not heard of Dr. Dolsky, nor had I heard of prolozone injection. But in desperation, I was really ready to try anything. It promised a lot, and when I came to the surgery here, I mean, I've been helped up. Even there's 2 steps leading up into the surgery here, which was even difficult for me to even climb. I had to lean on my husband's back, and I think I came almost crawling into the surgery here this morning. And right now, look at me. I could not do this. Look at me. I could not walk. This is not something. Can I show my husband? Can I get him? Can I go get him?